Well, happy 4th of July. America has turned 250 years old today. So, congratulations. Happy birthday, America. And I'm a proud American. So, I'm in Liberty, Missouri. And just checking this place out. I've never been here before. I mean, I've been to Liberty, Missouri, but I haven't been to this trail. So, this is the Lafite Thompson trail. So, check it out. It's kind of like a nature trail. So it is raining, but I'm not gonna let the rain bother me. So I did see a bunny rabbit when I was driving in, and as long as it doesn't rain a lot, I'm good to go. But yeah, let's check this place out. Apparently Lafite Thompson is the one who started this little nature trail. Probably her private land back in the day, but looks like from 1911 to 1975, and now this is in memory of her. So yeah, this is neat, cool. I don't vlog much anymore, but yeah, glad to be here this morning. So honestly, I didn't know what I was going to do today. You know, I was thinking, well, I did stay up kind of late, but I still went to bed before midnight last night, even though my friends came over to the hotel. And, you know, it was just really busy yesterday. I live in Wichita, Kansas, so it was a 3-hour drive yesterday, nothing big. Get here and had a couple hours before we went out to eat, but even going shopping yesterday, because we plan on grilling out later. Hopefully this rain will pass by and we can see some nice fireworks and just enjoy a wonderful 4th of July together. But this morning I wanted to get out, stretch my legs, enjoy. So I searched this place up. There's actually some other trails in the nearby area, but this one caught my eye. So here I am at the Lafite Thompson Nature Trail, and it's very beautiful. And looking forward to seeing what we can see. Now it was, like I said, quite busy. Of course, Kansas City always is, but even though this is Liberty, and they do have the World Cup going on. So we had Colombia playing last night. Forgot who they actually played. Ghana. They played Ghana. So a lot of the Colombian fans were staying at my hotel last night. They didn't bother us at all, but they were just, I just saw their yellow jerseys. So it's cool. Glad the team won. So then I saw some of them this morning at breakfast at the hotel. They were all nice, saying hello, and so that's good. Glad everybody had a good time. Looks like I'll be heading out of this beautiful field though, and then I will be heading into the canopy, the forest, which looks very beautiful itself. I'm hoping I can see some nice animals this morning, even though it's a gentle light rain. So here we go. So what is everyone's plans for the 4th of July? I mean, America turning 250. That's once in a lifetime, right? So very cool. I like all these little plaques they have up here. Kind of read about. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. There's a bunny. It's right there on the edge. You see it? That's really cool. You have a good 4th of July too. Oh, there he goes. So, yeah. A lot of bird houses up here. See them on the trees there. Let's see here. So, yeah, very cool. Good morning.
Thank you.
So, all right. Got a cross section here. Don't know which way to go really. All kinds of little trails here. Looks like that trail goes up there. We have another one splits off here. One, two. We can go 4 different ways really. Huh. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Rush Creek Trail and check it out. All right. Since it's raining, and it's not raining hard like I said, but I'm just gonna stay on this pavement for right now. And then if something intrigues me, you know, I may venture off. But as of right now, I'm just gonna check this place out. Look, it's Mississippi, Missouri. Mississippi is the Magnolia State. Missouri is the Show Me State. Mockingbird and the Eastern Bluebird for respective states. All right. I'm wondering if this is going to loop me back here. But let's go see. Montana, Nebraska. Oh, it's nice to have the canopy above me. Kind of blocks any of the rain too, so that's cool. Very nice, very nice. So now I'm catching the gist of all these plaques or information areas. It's basically saying, you know, the state nicknames, the state bird, the state flower or tree. So that's pretty cool. Alright, looks like we're going back into a kind of like a cutover field. Looks like a power line runs through here too. I'd really like to see a deer. I don't know if they have any here, but I imagine they do. We shall see. Time will tell. Time tells all, right? There's just something about being in the woods with or a nature trail. Just that light pitter patter of rain kind of just freshens you up. So I find it soothing, relaxing, and just you know, I just love the rain in general. One of the hardest things for me, because I grew up in Mississippi, the hardest thing for me in my adult life was moving to Southern California. And I lived in Rancho Cucamonga. Wonderful place. Wonderful place. Loved it. But it rarely rained. And I love sunshine. But every day, oh, I was like, oh, if I could just hear it rain. If I could just hear it rain. Smell the freshness of the rain. And, you know, it did rain, but it was mainly in the fall, winter, and spring. But even then, it was very sparse. I would say that wintertime was probably my favorite time in California, because then you'd at least get snow in the nearby mountains. But yeah, and the wide open spaces are totally different, you know, compared to the east side of America, right? So big sky country. So I have been putting a lot of time lapse on my actual channel. I hope everyone's enjoying those. I plan on doing more of those, hopefully in different areas too. Okay, got a little platform here. Let me see. Okay. A little creek down there. I guess the trail goes down that way. Shall we? Guess we shall. So now we're off the concrete onto a dirt trail. it's really dark in here. I like it though. It's not hot. It is a little humid, but that's what you'd expect anyways, right? Oh man, that's nice. Nice in here. I think I only met one other family while I've been down here so far. When I was going through Liberty, little town area, I noticed they have a 4th of July event going on, so they kind of rerouted us a different way. So I hope everybody enjoys that, has a safe and wonderful time doing that. Me, I'm not for a lot of crowds, so I kind of stay to myself. Okay. Oh, this was what I saw. So this is the area I saw when I looked this place up. I asked ChatGPT to give me some hiking trails. So this is the one that it showed me. I thought this was cool, man. Super cool. I wonder what road this was. I'll have to look that up. Let's see if I can read that at the top. I don't know. This says McGowan. I'll have to look that up and find out what bridge. That's really cool. Man, it's a big area down here too. Very nice. Wow. This is what I kind of wanted to see when I saw the picture. So that's really cool. So I'm actually glad I took a walk down here. Obviously, I'm not going to stop my walk, and I want to see more, but man, this is really cool. Let me check this out. I'll walk as far as I can before I get in the water. Let me see here. Yeah, that is really neat. And it wasn't a little over half a mile just to get down here. That's cool. All right. Well, for right now, I'm going to end the video because I just kind of want to walk around. And this video is kind of getting long, so I don't want it to be too long. But yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my time down here for a minute. And then if I do see something else cool, I'll definitely record that as well. But thank you for coming along. And hey, listen, guys, enjoy this wonderful country we have. Thank God that we have a wonderful country. And, you know, just embrace what we do have. And I can say this, I've served in the U.S. military. I've been an immigration officer, currently working for the post office. Just know that we're blessed, okay? Thank God every day for that. And thank you for watching the video. I hope everyone has a blessed 4th of July. I'll catch you on the next one.